Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with charged parts and an unlocked phone. That matters because Bluetooth needs an active device to detect the AirPods. Put both replacement AirPods into the case and close the lid for about 15 seconds to ensure initial reset. Once done, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the phone actively scans. Make sure the case LED is visible when you open it. That LED indicates the device state and helps confirm it's ready to pair. With the case open and near your phone, press and hold the setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. This forces the replacement AirPods into discoverable mode. You do this because replacements may not auto-pair without a manual setup trigger. Once the white flash appears, look at your phone's Bluetooth list and select the AirPods Pro entry. After tapping Connect, wait for the pairing animation or confirmation. It tells you why the device is trusted and registers it to your Apple ID. After pairing, always test audio playback and the microphone so you confirm both channels work. Try music, a call, and noise control toggles to verify features. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 30 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. This clears any previous device bindings and often fixes mismatches. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. If the LED never responds or audio is missing, make sure charging contacts are clean and contact support as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.